Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the PopSockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin. I'm Cloris Chen. Today we're talking about a topic that's on everyone's mind. Is Altseason next? With Bitcoin hitting its new all-time high, it's natural to wonder if we're back in the game and if an altcoin season will follow. Bitcoin has made some impressive gains recently, with the price surging through the $80K level. But what's interesting is that this time around, we're seeing a mix of institutional momentum, Trump-driven tailwinds, and a major difference in the number of tokens being issued compared to previous bull markets. When Bitcoin hits an all-time high, it's hard to ignore. And historically, that's when we see altcoin season emerge. In fact, research shows that when Bitcoin dominance starts to fall while prices remain strong, it's often a prelude to alt season. The moment when capital starts flowing into altcoins and gains begin multiplying across the board. To understand this phenomenon, let's take a look at Bitcoin dominance, which represents Bitcoin's market capitalization as a percentage of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization. This metric is like a barometer for capital rotation patterns between Bitcoin and the altcoin market. And what we're seeing right now is a steady decline in Bitcoin dominance, especially after Bitcoin achieved new all-time highs. But before we get too excited, there's a twist. Unlike past cycles, the landscape has drastically changed. We've got thousands of coins vying for attention, and they're not all created equal. Some will explode, while others may barely move. The days of having everything pumped are likely behind us. The market has grown and matured. So, will we still see an alt season on the charts? Most likely, yes, but it'll be different. Some analysts expect massive daily gains of up to 40% for select tokens, especially those with strong fundamentals and real utility. Think AI agents, infrastructure, interoperability, DeFi, and RWAs. These narratives are gaining steam, and projects tied to them could outperform dramatically. But here's the thing, we're not in a vacuum. Patterns help, but don't predict. We've seen similar moves before, but no two alt seasons are the same. And with more data, investors, and skepticism than ever before, the market is inherently more complex. That brings us to an important point. Patterns matter, but they can also be misleading. The key takeaway here is that capital rotation is still happening, it's just more nuanced now. Early investors accumulate Bitcoin during lower valuations to get an upside, followed by a consolidation phase where profits are realized and corrections occur on the chart. And then we see further capital rotation into mid-cap and smaller-cap altcoins, which often yields the most impactful percentage gains, albeit with higher risk and volatility due to lower liquidity. That's what we're seeing play out in the market right now, folks. So buckle up and stay tuned. The crypto landscape is constantly evolving, and Bitcoin Bulletin will be here to guide you through it all. I'm Cloris Chen, and that's your update from the world of Bitcoin. See you next time on Bitcoin Bulletin.